Hello and welcome. How to download a live stream that you created on your TikTok. All right, but before I show you how to do it, I want to tell you right now that you only have up to 30 days since you filmed your live stream to do it, because after 30 days, it's gone. And the other part that you need to know as well is that you can only download your own live stream from your own account. Now, if you were watching somebody else's live stream, they would actually have to download that live stream and upload it somewhere else in order for you to watch it. So I just want to tell you that right off the bat before I start showing you how to do it. So let's jump into app itself, and then we're gonna get going, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so we're now on your TikTok profile, and what we want to do to find our live is we're going to go into the TikTok studio. So let's tap on that. Okay, so this is showing me my post, but what we want to tap on the live. Okay, and here, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll to find live recordings. And when you find that, you're going to tap on it. And there is my live recording that I did on the 25th. So I still got a whole couple of weeks until it's deleted, but for now it's there. So now we're going to tap on it. And as you can see, it's there it is. There's my live stream that I did, and I can do a clip, or here is the download arrow. Okay, so from there, you're going to be able to download it to your device, and it'll be saved under your gallery. Or if you just want to delete the live stream completely, you can just use the garbage can icon there. Or you can also share your live stream with this little arrow that's on the side, and it'll share the live stream with your friends, and you can send it out that way. So again, it's only saved for 30 days, but that's exactly how you download your live stream via your TikTok account using TikTok Studio. And it's really that simple. Hope you found that useful.